Hey guys, so today me and my sisters are going to Buc-ee's, and if you don't know what Buc-ee's is, look it up. But we're going to be going there in a little bit. I wanted to do my makeup first because I had an idea of doing my makeup, which this one's going to be the blue look. If you haven't seen my other videos, go ahead and go watch them. I'll link them in the description box. I did red, orange, yellow, and green already. But yeah, so I had this idea of recreating the meme. I don't know if you guys have seen it. It's like that SpongeBob meme where, I don't know, they dress up SpongeBob in this one look and then they say, oh, this is, you know, how this is or whatever. I don't even know how to explain it. But I'm going to be recreating one that I saw. I wasn't going to do it, but my sister Kimori, she decided, or she was kind of the deciding factor, I guess. She told me I should do it, and so I was just like, okay, I guess I'll do it. But I'm going to do my makeup real quick. I'm going to kind of just fast forward through everything I do because all the products I'm using are the same as my other 4 videos, and I don't really need to explain anything, I don't think. I don't know. If there's a step in my makeup routine that you guys see that you think I should explain what I do, I'll make another video explaining it, but today's video isn't one of those. I'm just gonna do my makeup and then we'll kind of fast forward to me recreating this meme that I saw that I think is hilarious. I don't know why it's so funny, but I think it's funny. Okay, so done with my makeup, so we're going to head to Buc-ee's now, so I will see y'all in a little bit at Buc-ee's. Okay guys, so we finally made it to Buc-ee's. The main reason why I came to Buc-ee's. Oh my gosh. Yes! Ooh, this one's cute. Look what I found. Those are cute. Hey, which one do y'all think I should get? This one's cute. You gotta show the whole thing. says Happy Camper.
Uh-huh. Or what else? What's the other options?
This one, Enjoy the Ride, red.
Uh-huh. It's bright.
It is.
Enjoy the ride.
Or I could get a kid shirt. I like this one. It's a youth large though.
Okay, Nancy. Does it look like it'll fit? Yeah.
I mean, I can make it fit.
That's what she said. Anyway,
Why would you say that?
I'm just... It's okay, you're good at editing. Why you keep on putting them back like that? People work here. They gotta fold that.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay.
Oh, look at him. He looking like ma'am. Ma'am.
This one's cute.
It's a guy's shirt.
No, it's not. 4th of July is going to be coming up.
Oh, you're right. And you just want to look like a proud Texan. I
I'm
like
gonna get
that
this
though.
one.
Just throw it in the bag. Oh.
Already got one in the bag.
I got that out.
Okay, guys. So I forgot to film me walking in the store and, you know, getting the stuff as I was going. I was so into it. So now I'm pretending like I'm doing it for the first time.
Oh my God, why would you tell them?
Again. It's all good. It's all good.
I wouldn't be able to wear them out like that. Bye. Now let's go get some guns. Redneck boys. I thought you hiccuped or something. Wait, that's the pig one.
Oh, this one?
How don't make this noise? This is what your hamburger sounds like, and you're still eating it. Hashtag go vegan.
Why would
Go vegan.
do kids play with this stuff?
Yes. I thought it was a dog toy.
Is this a dog? Oh, wait.
That's how they make those sounds. Got him. You would have been dead.
I can't.
I just accidentally knocked like.
Look what she done did, y'all.
Don't mind me. Wait.
I need them to do that again.
And you thought the guys on the floor. When I touched it, it vibrated. I thought the juice was gonna start spilling out. I was like, dang, I got the juice.
Why?